Now more story coming in. Two DU law students have filed a PIL in Delhi High Court seeking action against policemen who allegedly assaulted students and journalists during protest in Ramjas. Ramjas clash has been epicenter of a political war that's brewing around the Delhi University. Let me go across to my colleague Ilma. Ilma, take us through the details of the PIL that's been filed by the two Delhi University students.
Well, these two DU law faculty students have filed a case, have filed a PIL saying that police had used excessive force when violence broke out in Ramjas on Wednesday, Devina. And one more thing that we have to keep in matter is that yesterday we heard that the NHRC has also filed a report saying that there was police excess used on students that were present both on ABVP and the left-wing side. That needs to be investigated. We've also been hearing that the Delhi police has filed a report, a status report with the LG, who will be meeting Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal later today, speaking about how the police try to handle the crowd. We will also be speaking about what the police exactly did to keep the situation under control, what measures were taken to keep the security in check, because following Umar Khalid's invitation, the Delhi police was informed. So right now we're going to find out whether police used any excess use of, calming the crowds down. And also, Devina, we already know that 3 cops have been suspended. So further investigation will help the police figure out whether the police did use excessive force on other students as well.
All right, Ilma, but we've also seen that there was strong word coming out from the Home Ministry as well for the cops to exercise restraint after what happened at Ramjas clash. 3 cops suspended, but has the accountability been fixed as well? Because clearly the scenes that played out outside Ramjas College, there have been allegations of pure brutality there.
You're absolutely right, Devina. In fact, yesterday when we saw, multiple protests happening across North Campus, Delhi University, even arts faculty, where I am presently standing, when the police was being briefed, multiple times the same issue was raised. Please exercise restraint. Please try to stay away from the students. Don't try to interact with them. Interact with them as much less as you could possibly. Basically, after the events that unfolded and after the police was blamed for using excessive force on students, they were very cautious, especially after the Home Ministry's notice as well, in making sure that no unruly scenes had happened. Yesterday, even when the march was going on by the left-wing parties, there was a slight altercation that we had witnessed between students and the police exercised maximum restraint, Devina.
All right, be with me, Ilma, because I'm getting some more news that Delhi police is set to give a detailed status report to Lieutenant Governor. As Ilma pointed out, this is ahead of the meeting with the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Officers from Crime Branch have been summoned to police headquarters as well. Sources say reports will give details of what happened last week on Tuesday and Wednesday. The report will also mention the local police was informed about the seminar after Umar Khalid was invited for a seminar and how police tried to intervene on 21st February, control the situation. The report will also mention those who were injured, including students, teachers and professors. 13 complaints have been filed so far. 1 FIR has been registered. 1 police assaulting students and media. Reports say 3 policemen were suspended, others being identified. This in the backdrop of a PIL that's been filed by Delhi University students as well, demanding more details on the police action that took place in the Ramjas clash. Now, Ilma, as we've seen that significant pressure building up with a report that is set to be submitted to the Lieutenant Governor, what are the details that we have of this report?
Well, as you pointed out, Devina, this report has been filed to the LG, who will be also showing it to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as they have a meeting set out for today. The report clearly states earlier there was some confusion about whether the police was informed that Umar Khalid will be attending this event, but it stated that following the invitation, the Delhi police was informed that Umar Khalid will be coming. We've also now got clear numbers about how many people were injured. The report states that 30 students were injured. 30 students, professors were also a part who were injured. We've also heard that there were 3 cops who have been suspended. Apart from that, Devina, what the police is now doing in the report is also establishing whether these videos that were submitted by the ABVP of the Azadi slogans that were being shouted inside Ramjas College are actually authentic videos. So that will also be investigated.
All right, Ilma, thanks for joining us. We will come back to you for more details. But remember, Delhi police comes under Home Ministry in the capital. The report that's been sought by the LG will be submitted to Delhi Chief Minister. Could see more politics out there as well.